Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at QuickAI's private equity rapid diligence module. First we're going to take a look at the output and then we're going to see how we run it. So here's what the output looks like. You have your business data summary, some basic information about the business, plot of revenue trend, breakdown of revenue across various dimensions. You can press the play button here and you can see the trend changing over the years. Top product analysis, product concentration analysis, top customer analysis, customer concentration analysis, what percentage of customers brought in what percentage of revenue. Then you have your customer segments. Then you have your segmentation analysis tree plot. In an interactive tree plot, you can click on a particular segment. This is the almost lost segments. And you can see all the customers in that segment. You can click on a particular customer and you can see more details about that customer. You have your churn analysis. Every year, how many customers did you lose? Did you gain? Then you have profitability tree plot, profitability margin by customer. You can click on a customer and you can see margin by product. The color is obviously unprofitable products. Same as revenue concentration plots, we have profit concentration plots for customers and products. So top 20% of products brought 85% of profits. Then you have price volume mix analysis. So what you do here is you provide an initial period and an ending period, and it will tell you how much of the change in revenue was because of price, because of volume, because of mix, and cost. Same for margin. It will tell you how much of the change in margin is because of price, because of cost, mix, and volume, and so on. And then same for profit. So quite a bit of useful analysis here. Let's take a look at how easy it is to run it. So what we do here is we go to quickai.app/pe. And what that will, I'm going to refresh this. What that will do is it will take you to a page like this. And here you just load your data and run the analysis. Now this data does not go to the internet. So basically, once you see the ready button here, and before you load any data, you can disconnect your internet. Everything should work just fine. You can read more about it by clicking here. If you don't know the kind of data you need, you can click on what type of data you need, and then you can select the analysis you want to run, and it will give you a sample data that you're going to need to run that particular type of analysis. To understand what analysis it can run, here at the bottom are the details of the various different analyses that we just saw. Okay, so let's select a particular data set. All right, so here we have loaded our data set, and once you load the data set, you're going to want to map the columns to tell QuickAI what what the columns in the data contain. You're probably not going to have all the columns, so try and map as much as you can. Once you have mapped the columns, and here I mapped these before so it remembers. Once you have mapped the columns, it will show you with double check which analysis it can run. We note here that price volume mix is currently not able to run. I suspect that's because it requires us to tell it the period which we want to compare, the starting period and the ending period. So let's compare 2017 with 2021 here. All right, so we can run this. And then you can run each of the analysis one by one, or you can just click on run and it will run every possible analysis. And that's pretty much it. So hope you have fun.